In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use standby mode on your iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now it's going to be a super simple and straightforward tutorial, but make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct and you don't miss anything out. Also, if you do find the video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that the video was helpful. So the first thing you're actually going to need to do is enable standby mode on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go over here into settings and I'm going to scroll down to where it says standby. Now here you can see there's a few different settings. The first one you need to turn on is the standby setting at the top. So turn on standby. The next thing you have is night mode. So night mode will basically make the colours more red, so have a bit of a red tint, which will allow you to not get woken up by this. And it'll make the colours optimised for sleep basically. So you can have that on if you want to have this by your bedside. I'd recommend turning it on. The next one is show notifications. So do you want notifications on when you have standby mode on? You can decide for yourself. So I just have these three on and I think that's the best settings for me personally, but you can obviously change that. So now that we've turned standby mode on, it's time to actually test it out and customize it. So what you want to do is, first of all, you need to plug in your iPhone 15. So I have my iPhone 15 cable here, which is just a USB-C, and I'm going to plug it in like this. And it's ready to go. So the next thing you need to do is turn your iPhone sideways and switch it off. Okay, so now you can see that standby mode is on, and it takes a while for it to work sometimes, so give it a second and make sure you're using the right kind of cable. So that's just something important to know. So I'm going to click continue here, and you can see we're now in standby mode. So we have a clock and the date here. Now, one of the best features of this is that it is very customizable. So we can customize all of the different features on here. So to customize it, you just want to click on here and hold. So you can see now there's a ton of different options, and what you can do is you can just swipe through these and just, add or delete the ones that you don't want. So you can see them here. If you don't want it, you can just press the little delete icon and then press delete here like that. Now what you can do, there's a little plus icon here, so you can actually hit that plus there, and this is going to give you a list of all the different widgets that you're actually able to add onto here. So you can really select them and customize it out to your liking. Now there's another feature here that says Smart Rotate, and basically what Smart Rotate does is it just goes through all of the different widgets that you've picked, so it's sort of like a slideshow between these, so it won't stay on one all the time. So I don't know the time period, but like say every 30 seconds it will switch to the next one. So now that I've customized that side, I can actually customize this side in the exact same way by clicking and holding it. And it's going to bring up the exact same thing here, the different widgets at the top. I can add some more. Very simple. And honestly, there's a ton to choose from, so pick wisely. Now the last feature that I want to show you is that you can manually swipe through these. So you can see here, I can just manually swipe through the widgets that I've actually chosen, and the same on this one. Now another feature is if you swipe this way, what it's going to do is it's going to go into photo mode. So this is going to have a slideshow of your photos here, and it's going to shuffle through them. I don't have any photos on this phone, but it would shuffle through them while it has the time at the top, and obviously if you hold in here, you can customize that. We can also swipe along here to another view. It's just like a clock view, and that's the last one. But that is essentially everything you need to know about standby mode. If you have any questions, then be sure to leave them down below and I will try my best answering them. But if you did find this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped you so other people can watch this video and get the same advice. Thank you for watching.